Hi, I'm Joanne Faulkner and I am Shiatsu and Conscious Cooking. Shiatsu is acupuncture without needles and it balances the energy in the body. I use the 5 elements to really diagnose what's going on inside your body, and I really help you to understand your body so that if you are craving sugars, you know your stomach and spleen is out of balance, and I show you with food what you can do to help those sweet cravings. If you are craving sour flavour, which might be alcohol, that will affect the liver and the gallbladder. And so emotionally, you would be looking for creativity, flexibility, and really expressing yourself. If you're craving salty food, that's telling me that your adrenals and your kidneys are low. So I would tell you which foods to eat to boost your kidneys, your hormones. Really, salty seaweed is fantastic. Now, I've written all about it in 2 different books. So this one is Shiatsu and the Art of Conscious Cooking, and this one is Good Food, Better Sex. It explains really easily with the 5 element system exactly, here's a picture of the 5 element system, what you can do, what colours affect your body, which flavours. It's a really easy system, really easy system. And I suppose with this book, what I was doing was, if you have conditions such as vaginal dryness, premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, hot flushes, insomnia, did I say that already? All of these sexual conditions, vaginal dryness, I think I said that one. This is the reason I wrote this book, because actually you can use food as medicine to help actually address these conditions that we have in our body. And quite often we are too embarrassed or perhaps ashamed to talk about this area of our body. But in Chinese medicine, it is core and it is key to your health, to keep your DNA and your chromosomes strong and healthy so that you can reproduce at a cellular level for all your life. Then Shiatsu and Conscious Cooking will help you do that, using food as medicine to heal the body. Take your shame out of the cupboard and put it on the kitchen table. This book is truly beautiful, great photos, beautiful illustrations, and it really helps to take what can be an embarrassing subject out of the cupboard and put it firmly on the kitchen table and discuss it using food. Contact me, join up to the newsletter, and I'll see you at the kitchen table very soon.